especially right now with everything that is going on, we got to double down, if not even triple down, on our efforts, on everything that we're doing. More conversations, more marketing, more branding, more open houses. All of that has to be more if you want to make really good money. And the question I asked them was simple. I said, look, you guys were putting in 50, 60 hours, enriching your employer for many, many years. Why not put in 50, 60 hours to create an amazing lifestyle for yourselves and enrich yourselves and your families? Because you can make more than $100,000 in this business if you're putting in that type of hours per week. So there are times it's not about the activities, it's just about the time that you spend on those activities and the hours. So think about it, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. Again, I'm not sitting here and saying work as many hours as possible. No, but I'm just saying, especially in the early stages of your career in your business, you got to put in the time, you got to put in the effort. All right, guys, talk to you next time.